This is Penny. Hi Penny, let's see if we can find you a better energy plan for your home. For the cheapest energy plan for you, just head to the Victorian Government's independent energy comparison website, compare.energy.vic.gov.au. To get started, grab your most recent energy bill, take a seat and then just click on Electricity Offers. To find the best offer for you, you'll need some more info about how you use electricity at home. There are a few ways to do this. One is to use the information from your electricity smart meter. This is the easiest way and gives a super accurate picture of how you use power. The other way is to answer a few questions about your electric appliances and how you use them. Let's go with option 1. So go ahead and click on Get My Data for Me. You'll then be asked to put in your NMI number. You can find it on your bill, usually on the back. Look for a 10 or 11-digit number, usually starting with a 6. To avoid any confusion, make sure you find the NMI and not the meter number. These are different things. Victorian Energy Compare uses your NMI number to fetch the data on your electricity use. It will then use this data to find the cheapest plan for you. Don't worry, none of your information is ever saved. So now you've typed in your NMI number. You just need to wait a few seconds while Victorian Energy Compare uploads your energy usage data. Next, you'll be asked if you get energy concessions on your bills. If you have a concession card, you could be eligible for cheaper bills. Now all that's left is to find the best plan for you. Just click Display your list of results. If you want to filter out energy plans that come with a pay-on-time discount, perhaps you don't always remember to pay your bill on time, you can do this by clicking on Price before clicking on the button to display your results. And here are the results, with the cheapest energy plans at the top and the most expensive at the bottom. The cheapest plan here would cost $1,160 a year. Let's now compare this cheapest price with what Penny's currently paying using her electricity bill. Click on the blue What Am I Paying button. If your bill is emailed to you, you can upload it directly to the website, or you can just type in your rates directly. You can usually find your electricity prices on the back of your bill. If your energy bill is costing you $1,490 a year, like Penny, then you could save $330 by switching to the cheapest plan. Recent Victorian government reforms mean that energy companies can only increase your energy prices once per year. This means that you can be confident that when you move to one of the cheap plans you see on Victorian Energy Compare, the prices won't quickly change through multiple price hikes. Before you switch, you can also check the conditions or eligibility criteria attached to the plan you want to choose. For example, some plans have membership fees, pay-on-time discounts, or require you to pay by direct debit online. The price with and without discounts is shown for each offer. This lets you avoid complicated prices and discounts if they don't suit you. So, if you're okay with email bills and online payment, you can go ahead and choose this energy plan. To find out more information about the plan, click on View Offer. This shows you detailed rates information and how long the offer is valid for. Then click Contact the retailer to get all the information you need to change to the cheaper plan. Contact the energy company you've chosen to change your plan. Remember to write down your offer ID. You will need to provide this to the energy company to make sure you're discussing the same offer you found on Victorian Energy Compare. They will take care of the rest. You won't need to contact your old energy company. In a few simple steps, Penny saved hundreds, and you can too. Try it out today at compare.energy.vic.gov.au. Find out more about taking control of your energy bills at energyinfohub.org.au.